nothing but a Nykaa haul video. I finally got my parcel which I booked before lockdown, and I'm so happy that it came yesterday. So it came like packaging with all the bubble wrap, which I feel is like very nice. All the makeup needs to be safe by transferring. So number one, this is the main thing of the package, which will be revealed at the end of the video. So you will have to watch. Okay, so starting with the smallest thing which I got, we are gonna start with the okay. So one thing more, all of the product from these are like from all the Lakme brand. Everything from this is Lakme, so I like to use that more of Lakme. So this is the one thing which I got. This is the Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. The thing with this is like it is very cheap, like for 120, which I feel is like very less for a brand like this. And an eyeliner in the color shades, it has the colors like for yellow, blue, black and green. I already had the black one, so I got the green one. And if you are a pro at applying a liquid eyeliner, you're definitely gonna buy this and you're definitely gonna love this. If you're like good at applying the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and if you want in different colors, this one will go definitely amazing for you at the lowest price. So this is the best one, so this is to go to. It came for 120 and it is worth the money. The next thing which I got is this, the Lakme Absolute Galacino collection. It looks amazing. It is the cutest eyeliner pencil which I have ever seen. It is like I got in the raspberry color. I like to do a lot of a pink makeup, basic blush makeup. I don't like the other colors. I like keep to the base of the pink, like whatever clothes I'm wearing, but I will definitely go for pink at any cost. So I like wearing pink, so I got this one, but they have in so many colors, like in so many colors. You should definitely go and check it out. If any of your favorite colors like green, orange, yellow, it has all of them. I'm definitely gonna get all the colors from this Galatino collection, and it's definitely have to. This costed me like 800 per, like this one is for 800. As per the packing basis, I would say that it was like okay, but if to carry wear somewhere, it is amazing for traveling on the basis. The next that I got up is the Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan Absolute Eyeliner. This is the limited edition. These were like in very less quantity of the pieces. This is like a very reflective one, yeah. These were like in the very less pieces, so it is not available anymore. But this is like the pro of all. It costed me for 1100 rupees and it has like all the ingredients below marked. But I feel like it is worth the money. And I like always used a mascara. I like never used a lash definer, but this actually is a pro, trust me. And to work as it is like amazing. And as in compared to mascara, it has a like long lasting effect. And also like if you're like me and you do not like to wear fake lashes a lot, this is everything for a go-to, and it's amazing. It's a cute one, the Kareena Kapoor Khan lash definer. And I really loved it, the brush and everything. It's like super cool. It's like always a yes, even if it comes into a again for the stock, or again they start selling these, I'm definitely gonna order this. The fact that it was like just for sale for like I guess a month only, so it is not available anymore, but yeah, it is 100% thing to have, 100% thing to have. The next thing that I got up is this kit. This is also from Lakme, and they sell in such a cute pouch. I hope, yeah, in such a cute pouch. And this is a manicure and pedicure kit. I got this for 600 rupees, and it is like for traveling basis. It's like super easy and it is worth the money. It has like everything in it. For starting with the scrubber, feet scrubber, you get it like it's in an amazing quality, trust me, it's best. With the nail scrubber too, and it's like super cute. I liked it really very much. It is like a floral one. Then these brushes for hand, you get the nails and for the nails and for the tips. You get two brushes in this actually, one for the feet and one for the feet and one for the hands. So it's like the one for the nails, and it goes like this. Yeah, whenever you order a manicure kit, you're definitely gonna get is the nails separator for applying a nail paint. I don't know why, but it is like super cute. I have a collection of full of these. I have lots of colors in these. I really like them, but I've used them very less, very less. The other thing that you get, this is the last thing. Yeah, these are the cuticle clear ones, and I like the fact that everything in this is the like the reusable one, so it's like not the worry to about. It's like worth the money. And the other last thing that comes in the packet is this. It is a description paper about all things that you get in the package. So it's like cool to have everything. If you don't know what to use, you can get the directions from here and like just do your manicure and pedicure at home and save the money from the salons for sure. This is it. This is also not available. This is also a limited edition package which I bought and is no more available on their website, Nykaa. So from these only I think this one and this one is not available on Nykaa, otherwise everything is available. I will be linking in the description below. And coming to the last package is this one, which I said in the beginning. It is like the most awaited. I like waited for so long for this, and trust me, it's the Pink Paradise Infinite palette. The Infinity palettes are like amazing, but I feel like, as I told in the beginning, I go for the pink makeup a lot, like pink basic, pink blush. I like to use pink makeup a lot, so I bought the pink one and then, but I would like to get all of these, and its packaging is like cool, yeah. And I like the fact, the thing about, yeah, it comes with all these shades. At the first I thought that this would be a pink palette to, you know, have all the lights and dark shades of the pink, but when I got this, I saw like it has not only pink but also orange, green, browns, purples. Like I feel this is a go-to palette for me for sure, to have like all the eye makeup and everything. So this is like one thing which I will definitely have to always, like a palette for me to go to. And the fact that it also has an eye mirror on it, so it's like amazing. I really like it, and it's like a traveling one. And the best part is, so you do not have to have a box or anything. You can just keep this in a bag and use it whenever you want to, because you know the fact that with the eyeshadows is like, if it has something loose with the lid, so dangerous to carry like this. But this is the fact that I really like the palette. You can see the shades on it, they're like very amazing. I really like the green one, but I'm gonna be using the pink the most, obviously, for sure. So this was it with the palette, and this was it with the Nykaa haul. I hope you all liked it, and hope you all found something interesting in it which you would like to buy, and the links are in the description below, so you can just go and buy from there. The other thing which I wanted to say is like, thank you for everyone who is been supporting me on this channel. I like wanted to do YouTube way back, but this time I really felt like, you know, you should start doing the videos and stuff like that. So I have started it, and I hope you all like this video too. And just let me know like what kind of all more videos I can do, and do share, subscribe and like to my channel. And thank you. Bye.